If it's time to leave your apartment for home ownership, a townhouse can be the answer. Here are advantages of townhome ownership. Number 1. A townhome offers affordability and an opportunity to build equity and enjoy tax breaks. Number 2. Unlike an apartment, your townhome will be your own. Decorate, use color, and enjoy. Number 3. Outdoor work is included in your dues. No mowing, exterior painting, or snow shoveling. Number 4. You won't need to spend a lot of time on maintenance. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility. Number 5. Location in real estate is always important. Look for something appealing that will have good resale value as well. Work with and learn from professionals and take it slow to consider all factors that are important to you. Buying a townhome can help you build equity, enjoy tax breaks, and invest your time in projects you enjoy. For helpful tips on how to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, please visit homia.com.